Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cities World. Physical Divisions of India Part 3 Desert Regions and Plateau. All about Indian Desert, the Thar Desert. To the west of the northern plains lies the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It is about 800 kilometers long and 500 kilometers wide. It covers the large part of West Rajasthan. The land here is partly sandy. To the northeast of Thar Desert is the Satluj River basin. To the southeast is the salt marsh known as the Salt Land of India. To the southeast of the Aravalli range of hills, the desert extends west into Pakistan till the Indus River basin. Climate. The climate in the desert is extreme. During the summer, the days are hot and dry. At the sunset, it becomes colder. This is because the sun heats up quickly in the day and cools down fast at night. In winter, the days are pleasant, but the nights become very cold. Vegetation. There is very little rainfall in the desert, and for that we can see very less plant vegetation. We can see a few scattered bushes and thorny shrubs. There are severe shortage of drinking water for the people who live there. The land is very dry. There is less water and less vegetation. The desert has very small hills of sand. The desert has very small hills of sand and they are called sand dunes. Sand dunes. These sand dunes do not stay in one place. The strong wind of the desert keeps moving the dunes from one place to another. The hot winds carry a lot of sand with them and cause very severe storms called sandstorms, which are very common in this area. All about the plateau regions. The plateau is a landform which is a large and raised area of flat land, almost like a table, and that's why it's called a tableland. In India, the plateau regions extend from the south of the northern plains to Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. It is divided into two parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau, which are separated by the Narmada Valley. The Central Highlands lie to the north of the Narmada Valley and comprise with the Malwa Plateau in central India and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. The Aravalli Vindhya Ranges lie in the Malwa Plateau. Hills lie in the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the Central Highland Plateau region. The Chambal, Betwa and Sun rivers are originating from the Central Highland. They flow northwards to join the Ganga and the Yamuna. The Narmada is the only river in the Central Highland which flows from the east to west. What is a peninsula? A peninsula is a landform that is bound by water bodies on three sides or a majority of its border but connected to the mainland on one side. Examples of other landforms are hills, canyons, valleys, etc. and coastal regions. Features like islands, peninsulas, isthmuses, etc. What are the features of Peninsula Plateau? Main features of Peninsula Plateau is number 1. It is a tableland composed of very old crystalline, igneous, and metamorphic rocks. It is formed due to the breaking and rifting of the Gondwana land. Number 3. It has broad and shallow valleys and is rounded by hills. Which is the highest physical division of India? The Peninsular Plateau is undoubtedly the largest physiographic division of India. The plateau extends over a total area of nearly 15 lakh square kilometers. It is divided into two sections, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. What are the main features? Features of the Peninsula Plateau. Main features of the Peninsula Plateau are: it is a triangular shape it is in triangular shape and is composed of the crystalline, igneous, and metamorphic rocks. Peninsula Plateau has several rounded hill ranges and broad valleys. The Aravalli Mountains border the plain and the northwestern side. The Vindhya and Satpura are other important ranges in the region. This plateau consists of two broad divisions, namely the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The plateau is rich in mineral resources such as iron and iron. Thanks for watching. Bye.